The alternative workflow would have been to use some other simulation tool and do a generic simulation batch to find out, together with an Excel sheet, which is the best project configuration. And with RatedPower, I would be able to do that directly in the software platform, where I would have the financial result and the technical design in a batch. My name is Ulrich Bussemas, and I am using RatedPower as a power technology manager for NRGi Renewables, a utility in Denmark. My focus was on providing the best design for the company who is acting as a developer and IPP for their own projects. The top 3 reasons I would say where I see RatedPower as the best solution that I can find on the market for the purpose and for the task, is that I would have a web interface, so it's easy to interact, no special software installations for that. The other one is that I would get a complete documentation package from each design generation, so I easily can interact with the suppliers. And the third reason is that with each design I would also get a yield estimate, so the production would be directly result of the design simulation, and I would also get the financial result from that, so that I easily can interact with other stakeholders about the project. The batch mode was helping a lot for us, because then we can see the different setups of the power plant, what the financial result would be. And then in that context also is the financial analysis that helps there to find the best project. And also, as mentioned before, the interaction with other stakeholders, if it's not suppliers or consultants, also colleagues, is much easier, because I got a complete documentation package where I can be sure that the information is consistent. What's not necessarily the case if you are working with different disciplines in an engineering team, right? Compared to the first design that we had about the project that I was doing with NRGi, and that was done by a consultancy firm who were not using RatedPower. So if we take that as a baseline, just before a financial investment decision, I was still able, with RatedPower and the approach that we were using, to improve the IRR by 0.2 to 0.5%, I would say.